Hello, my name is Dr. Nishant Yagnik and I am a senior consultant neurosurgeon in Columbia Asia Hospital's Palam Vihar, Gurgaon. And I have come here to tell you about what we are setting up that is going to be very different from any experience that you will have in any other hospital. As a neurosurgeon, I deal with life and death every day. Neuro patients are essentially patients for whom time is brain, time matters. Even a second's delay in providing care and treatment can mean the difference between a person being completely normal to a person losing their voice, their dreams, their hopes, and their function, their mobility, and their jobs. So, we have come up with a system that provides extreme value and care to the patient right from the time that you have your first symptom till the time that you're home, and from beyond that till the time that you are rehabilitated into society, into your previous life as much as possible. The fact is that today there is a strong distrust between doctors and the general population because, well, it's not like patients don't want to pay for their services, but most patients that I get, they tell me that they don't believe the value has been given to them. They don't believe that everything has been done for them that should be done in terms of what they deserved or required. And that is why in Columbia Asia, we believe in a patient value system. As part of the neurosurgery team and the rapid response team in Columbia Asia, we are here to assure you that in Columbia Asia, when you come to me as the neurosurgeon, you will be taken care of and through the following important things that are essential, that we believe are essentially your right and what you deserve. The first thing is straightforward information about what your problem is, what our treatment plan is, what the costs of those treatment plan are. Because when it comes to neurosurgery and neuro problems, you have to understand that it's not just the patient who suffers, it's the family that suffers a lot. And here we are there to support the entire group. And even towards the end, during the treatment process, there will be constant meetings, there will be constant support from our side, and there will be constant updation of information in terms that you can understand. Most of the time, patients don't understand medical jargon, and doctors will come to them and say many things that they don't have any conception or idea about. But our aim is to be different. Our aim is not just to cure, but to heal. And in our healing journey, we have come to understand that the real action, the real improvement in the patient only happens when we come together with the family members and plan out the treatment. Towards the end, we would like to see you when you are done with the treatment here, in a successful treatment, or even if the treatment is not a success, because only God knows how a treatment can go and cannot go. But at the end of your treatment, believe me, you will understand that there was no stone unturned, that nothing more that could have been done was not done for your patient, that the preparation was done in the most ideal fashion. Because even though we have the most advanced techniques and we have years of training in state-of-the-art, cutting-edge technology, that is not enough in our minds, and that you deserve more. So with this message, I would like to welcome you all to save the numbers for Columbia Asia, because that number can one day save your life. Thank you.